Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna fix one of the errors which gives some problems to developers, and it's a database issue here, whereby if we want to install your database, you receive import your database. Sometimes you receive some error. The error says script timeout passed. Script timeout passed. If you want to finish, import, release, submit the same file, and import will resume. So now what we're gonna do, we go to your terminal and start your Apache. Type in service start service Apache. It's gonna be Apache to start. No, I typed it in the wrong way. It says service Apache to start. Okay, the service has started. Then we start another service. We just recalled that command, and we want to start MySQL, which is gonna be MySQL, and we say enter. Also MySQL started, so we're gonna come back here and we go to your browser and go to local host php myadmin, enter. So we want to enter db. We wanna import a db. We say import. There's a db which I have already. It's here, and it's 7 megabytes. You can see it's a little bit bigger. Then we say open. When we say open, we then try to import it with go. After saying go, let's wait what it's gonna do. It's trying to load. That's what it's gonna tell us. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe on our channel, and also you can comment and also share our content. We really appreciate if you do that. It will help us a lot to grow. Subscribe, share the content, also tell friends about us. Yeah, so let's wait and see what's gonna tell us. It might take a while. It's you're gonna have to wait and we see what's going on. But anyway, you can rewind the video and see what's going on. You can rewind the video. Obviously the solution is by the end. You can rewind the video and skip this, but if you have time, don't skip and see each step by step how we did it, how we managed to do that. We're still waiting. See, we are still waiting. It's taking some time because the file is a little bit big. It's a huge file. It's a 7 meg. So in database it's something big, well, because it's only text, but 7 megabytes simply means it's big, huge. We're trying our best to see that everything go well, but it will go well. Yes, gonna be there soon. Just need some couple of, we need just to be patient a bit. Once you're patient, everything's gonna be cool. And I'm using, anyway, by the way, I'm using Kali Linux, and I'm importing this on a local machine. If you're using a different flavor of Linux, the solution is the same. You guys who are on Windows, the solution is going to be the same, but the folder is going to just change where we're going to fix stuff. The only way we're waiting to see the error. After seeing the error, then we go fix. So, but when we're fixing, it simply means that we're going to go to the folder which might not be the same as the one for Windows, because Windows file system is different from Linux's file system. Let's see what's gonna happen then. See. It's gonna take a while, but it will finish. The process is still going on. You see here it says like importing. So once it's done, then it's gonna tell us that once it get that error, then it's gonna tell us the error, well, how it worked, why is it giving us the error. Guys, you just have to be patient. Everything is gonna be okay. We're getting there. And this is gonna be fixed for good. You'll never have this problem anymore. It could happen like the computer is just uploading like maybe 1 megabyte per minute. Let's see what it's gonna tell us after. Yeah, I guess you can see the thing. Yes, we now can see the error. It says please script timed out, and you want to finish import, and script timeout passed. If you want to finish the, you see we spent almost 8 minutes, so it simply means the script is bigger than the minutes we want to do what, so the one they set in the thing. So but anyway, it partially imported this DB. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna delete the DB first and say drop we're gonna drop, because some tables might not be imported. It shows you the error. It simply means not everything went well. So we drop the DB, which is gonna be drop database. Then we put the DB, which is gonna be NEDB. Then we enter. Then we say go. So we're gonna drop that database. Yes, we drop the database, so we don't want partial stuff. So what you're gonna do, close your browser, come back here, and you say Apache 2 stop MySQL. We can stop everything, stop, and we call this no, it hasn't finished yet. We're gonna also say Apache 2 stop. Once we stop that, we've stopped that. So now we're gonna do what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to PHP. There's a file we're gonna go to. That's where we're gonna find all the files. There's somebody here who wants to disturb. I'm sorry for a moment. Let me 2 minutes. 1 second. I'm coming. Guys, sorry about that, but we are here. I can take you back, and you can go here and you go to computer, then you go to etc. In Windows, I don't know where we're gonna go, but same thing. You have to find your PHP, and okay, we look for PHP. Click here, we go to PHP, PHP 7.3. That's what I'm using. You might be using different. Then you click here, and I say go to Apache 2. You click to Apache 2, then you go to this PHP config file, which is file in PHP in. So you can see it tells us that default socket timeout is 20. What is that? 20 seconds. You get me? And mostly it's not 20 seconds maximum load. It's always 30. It's always 60 seconds. Always set on 60, which is 1 minute. So since our file is big, I would say, let's say it's a 7 megabytes. We'll say maybe each megabyte could take 10. I would say maybe 2 minutes. So let me say I'm gonna go to Google and say minutes to seconds. Minutes to. I'm gonna go to Google and I say minutes to seconds. Minutes. Wow, what am I doing here? Say minutes. Minutes. It's gonna be min to seconds. So that was 60 seconds we have, but now we're gonna go. We need I would say 10 minutes, which is gonna be 600. 10 minutes could be fine, but we're gonna set 20 minutes, which is gonna be 1200. I wanna put it there just there on that much, just to be safe. I'm not saying you should do what I'm doing, but what I wanna show you the reason. You can put, depending on how big your file is. I'm putting it on 20 minutes, something like that, because it's a default timeout socket based stream seconds. So it was 60. I'm gonna put it on what? On this. So I've done this, and I'm gonna save. Okay, after saving, we increase the minutes, then we cancel that, and we close that. Then we're gonna go back and say we restart our Apache. Start here. Yeah, start Apache 2, and also we're gonna start again MySQL. We start MySQL. Say yes, we start it, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our browser and do what, and say localhost php myadmin. We enter that. We see we want to create that, import that database code. That database code, what? Yeah, we're gonna import it. So what we're gonna do, select that and say okay. After selecting our file, say yes. Let's tell it to go. Then it started. Yeah, let's see how long it's gonna take. It might take a while, but that's why I recommend you to rewind, to forward the video to see where it's gonna end. Since we're here, we saw how we fixed it. So since we fixed that, so I want you to rewind the video, to forward the video and go to by the end and see. That was the fix, but now you can see it will depend on how big is your file. That's the time it's gonna take, and also how fast is your computer. You get me? My computer might be a little bit slower than yours, or many processes are happening here, so simply means it might take longer than yours, which doesn't have a lot of processes. So if that's the case, you see I put a lot of means. You can test by putting, like, maybe instead of 60 seconds you put 120 or 360, something like that. So if your file is bigger than mine and your computer is faster also, it could be a different result. So we're gonna wait for a while and see how it's gonna work this time, but don't expect less than 5 minutes. It's gonna be maybe more, I believe so. Yeah, I try to eliminate a lot of things which are on the computer so that we don't spend a lot of time here. I've closed a lot of things, so I abandoned a lot of things to start doing what, to manage to do stuff. So I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take for us to do this. It might take time. Let's wait and see what you're gonna see here. You might as well go and make some coffee and come back. Yeah, we are waiting. I hope everything goes well. Yeah guys, we have to be patient, but if you want to forward the video, you can forward the video and see, look at the end, how did it go. But for me, I have to wait because I'm live, you're not live. It gave me the same issue, but I'm sure by this time it has worked out by importing everything. So I really apologize that the error is still coming, but once you change that, it should maybe work on your side. But that's the way we fix the error. Guys, thanks for watching. But the only thing you have to know now, you have to check all the tables. If all the tables were inserted, then you don't have a problem. Test each and every table and test the data and see what's going on. So if everything is fine there, then you don't have to worry about that error anymore. As long as you increase some time for it and see how big the file is, then I think everything should be fine. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I hope this helps.